Hi everyone. Today I have a very dynamic entrepreneur, financial planner from Chennai. He's a Tajurba CBLM Platinum member, and he's the one who's been practicing OKR, attending sessions, taking one-to-ones every month, and following up all the advice diligently and very consistently. He has created a huge success story in less than a year. So let's listen from him. Hi Kaushik, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
So tell about your success. When did you join CBLM and this OKR group?
Sir, I joined in the month of June, and I must say that I'm very happy and be privileged to be part of the CBLM group, the most vibrant group in India, I would say, because I have also been part of other platforms and other coaching fraternities. But I think I would say that this is the best. It makes you to follow what you say, and when you practice it, the success is going to be guaranteed for you. So that's what I've been doing, and I'm tasting it.
What is your success like? You have doubled your.
I have doubled both my top line and my bottom line. I think I have been growing at about 15 to 20% in the last 2-3 years, and it's been a revelation, I would say, that I have come to CBLM, and even when markets are down in the last 2-3 months, the business that we are in, there is a direct correlation between how the markets perform and how your business perform, isn't it, sir? But it is just the opposite. When you have the right things in place in terms of your business, which CBLM teaches you, in your monthly and fortnightly sessions, when you diligently follow that and ensure that each and every plan that is being suggested to you, every advice, every suggestion that is given to you is followed to the hill, then success comes your way. And that's what has been happening. I would say this current quarter, in the month of October, I hit my highest revenue ever in my lifetime. And thanks to Sureshji sir, I mean, thanks to you, sir. I think it's something which is which I wouldn't have believed last year, right? I wouldn't have believed some 6 months back. So that's what has been happening. See, I'm in the fraternity of mutual fund distribution, where people above 100 crores of assets, people who manage above 100 crores of assets, there are only 950 people above me.
Across India.
Across India, only 950 people above 100 crores. And, from 100 crores, which I hit in the month of April this year, and when I joined CBLM, I would have probably been at about 112 or 113 crores. So from 113 crores, today I stand at about 185 crores. So it's never been heard of somebody who's at 100 crore of corpus with 200, 300 clientele, building up a base and trying to double their top line and as well as bottom line within a span of 1 year. And it is all possible only because of the coaching that you have done. And of course, I should give credit to myself that I have followed each and every advice of yours, and I've taken each and every advice of yours as a mantra and as a ground rule for me to move forward in life. And yes, here it is.
So from 100 crores to 185 crores this year after June. Mostly.
Yeah. So this is only my mutual fund AUM, and there has been a lot of other verticals that we have in terms of secondary market bonds, pre-IPO shares. Then we have recently ventured into the US markets as well. We have ventured into the US pre-IPO markets. So there are 2-3 other lines which we have got, and whatever that we have done in the last 6 months, I mean, we have not done it anytime before. So these are new, and I would say I can probably say that our business has tripled.
How's your family feeling with this kind of wealth creation, earning increase?
They're feeling ecstatic. The kind of engagement that brings in you, and the moment you start seeing success, when you start enjoying that success, the positivity goes around. I mean, people like to be around the positive people. Of course, family, they don't have any choice, but even otherwise, the vendors, the partners, and the people from the industry, people uh, from the other side of our business, everybody, I would say. I mean, it's been a very, very happy period for us the last 6 months, and I am enjoying it.
What's your 5 years vision now?
Sureshji, when I told you that I wanted to be at 1,000 crore, you said you add one more zero, right? So that time I thought, I mean, Sureshji is just saying this to motivate me to look at bigger number, but I can tell you now, really, it is possible. And when you are very sincere in attending your sessions, when I am sincere in attending your sessions, the fortnightly sessions, I mean, what kind of value adds that you give? I mean, your CBLM Gallup ideas, the other sessions that you have taken so far, art of negotiation, I can't forget that, right? So that art of negotiation is something which have turned my life, I would say. The next day I was sitting in negotiating a company for a buyout. That session completely helped me in shaping up a plan to acquire that, and I did that, right? So what I say is that be attentive, be punctual to your sessions, follow your one-to-ones. I mean, for the kind of fee that you charge and the kind of value add or the value that you add to us in terms of your one-to-ones, each and every one-to-one is equivalent to the fee that we pay you for a year. So that's a kind of thing that you give, right? So unbelievable, Sureshji. I think I'm enjoying it. As I said, I will continue to follow your advice in terms of shaping up my business and taking it forward to the next level.
So one advice for people who are not very regular in CBLM or people who have not joined CBLM yet, for both of them.
So for people who have joined CBLM, one thing you must do is, I mean, there are many a times that people tend to get busy after we join, and we may have a doubt what it is going to bring into us by having this session. It's a Saturday, let's go and enjoy outside. I am telling you, it's prefixed. Your second Saturday and the fourth or fifth Saturday is prefixed for you. Do not have any work, and please be there fully in the session. And you just start following this. After next session, you attend the next session. If you have not attended the last 3-4 sessions, attend the next session. Be there, and you share it with yourself, or you share it with Suresh sir, how you feel at 8 o'clock once you finish that session. That's a kind of boost that each and every session that comes in. And for people who have not yet joined CBLM, guys, you're missing a lot, right? And certain things can only be experienced, not explained. So I don't want to add more on how it can bring in additional value for you and for your business, and how it can take your business to the next level. I don't want to elaborate that, but come and experience it.
Thank you very much, Kaushik. All the best, and keep moving. The view from the top is very good. You would love it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay,
thanks for everything. Yeah.